Hello, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the card builder type in like the file for Paper Idol or Kamiyoshi. And so this one's like already got all layers in there. The art layer, it's not that much important, but this one's the back rectangle, which you can change color if you need like a different background. You can like turn this, but normally it should just be kind of whitish. That's going to be the most basic one. It's not that more important. The color picker is not important either. Was more for building the one. The card layout is where the fun stuff happens, because now we have all different types of cards. So we can have a talent card which has yellow border and the light yellowish rules border, rules text place space, and then streams reds. The help cards are brown. Fan cards are gray. Then you have the event card, and the watermark I don't use because first of all it's Videra, which is kind of outdated now, plus also it just made the text not readable, which is too bad because it is a cool concept, but that's basically it. Then let's say we're going to make a stream card. Then we go to symbols, and here we also have symbols for each card. Of course, event cards don't have symbols, but you can see vigor would be for like a talent one. You can turn that on. This is help card for the help cards, fervor, which is for fans, and duration, which is for streams. Now you can click this open, and here you can see that you have you can just select which duration you have. Although you can also, if you need like a duration that's longer than 4, for example, then you can change it with text as well. And that's also what you're going to do with the name and everything there. So that's part of the text here. You can also just click on it here, and you see that it's selected there. Then you go to the text tab, and just change it. You can apply it. These ones should all be good with the font as it's set. And then the big ones, rules text, that's usually got a font size of 24. If it's a very long text, you can set it to 22 or even 20. And then with the text ones, well, you're going to add more and more text to it. But if it's too long, like for example, you were just to do this, and you apply, you can see it goes beyond the border, so you kind of have to cut it off. Something like this. You'll have to see how far it goes. So that's basically how the file works, and that's how you make cards. Of course, that's like you change the name, you change the type, you change the subtype, you change the border, and that's all that. And then you still need an art. To do the art, you use file import. And then let's say we go to a new folder. Actually, speaker images, for example, and then you take, this basically, like you could take the speaker cover and it's imported. You have to drag that down into art, so that's at the right screen, and then you make it smaller. Make sure you still keep the right like length and right proportions, and then you just select how you want to frame it, and that's basically got the art. Then you save the file with save as in a new name, and once you're done making the file, you've saved it as a Inkscape file, but you have to still export it to a PNG. And then you export this, and that immediately makes a PNG. So I have to delete this one because I don't need a PNG of this one. But that's basically how this works. Right, thank you. That's all I wanted to say.